only fit for 2 people. Teacher got me so much because I'm tall.
Teacher got me so much because she thinks that I'm skinny.
Wow! Judgmental ako.
Hindi ko patayin kikit.
Later, after we're done with this.
Lahat na kumukha ng chicken.
Right,
Busog daw.
ang sarap, di ba, te?
Video-video pa ikaw. Ay!
Oo, syempre. Di
Ay,
ako
mukbang.
Di kaya ako nag-post.
Dito ka nakabang mo.
Wow! Smart!
Okay,